All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to this quick high-yield explainer covering the Red Seal Machinist practice test. We're literally on the clock for a 3-minute sprint to get you completely familiar with this material, so let's get started.
Section 1. The Machinist Exam. Look, earning your Canadian Machinist certification involves some serious rigor. And this practice test, it's your ultimate gateway to proving your expertise in the trade before you tackle the real thing.
This practice test is truly the ultimate evaluation of your machining and metalworking abilities. It's designed to strictly mirror the exact precision and demands you're going to face on exam day.
You'll absolutely need to be prepared for a wide breadth of topics. The evaluated areas span everything from lathe operations and milling techniques to blueprint interpretation, precision measurement, and cutting tool selection. It is a highly comprehensive assessment.
Section 2. Practice questions. We're now entering a simulated test environment. I'll present 3 sample questions exactly as they appear in the source material. I'm going to read the question and the options, followed by a brief pause for you to formulate your response. There will be absolutely no hints and no explanations.
Complete the calculation. A right triangular layout has legs measuring 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. The hypotenuse is A. 5 centimeters, B. 6 centimeters, C. 7 centimeters, D. 12 centimeters.
Answer: A. 5 centimeters.
On a conventional engine lathe, the component that supports the free end of a long workpiece and can hold a drill chuck is the A. tailstock, B. compound rest, C. apron, D. steady rest.
Answer: A. Tailstock.
In a CNC program, the G-code command used to establish rapid, non-cutting positioning is A. G01, B. G00, C. G02, D. G03.
Answer: B. G00.
Section 3. Prepare for success. Okay, we're back. How did you fare on that quick simulation? Preparing for a test of this magnitude requires the right tools. And well, that brings us to how you can take total control of your study time.
For comprehensive exam prep, I highly recommend checking out easyquiz.com. They offer incredible flexibility to fit into your busy schedule. You can use their online web simulator for deep, focused study sessions right at your computer. Or the Easy Quiz mobile app for iOS and Android is fantastic because it actually allows you to study completely offline, whether you're commuting or just grabbing a quick break at the shop.
So the crucial takeaway here is that your success is entirely in your hands. Are you ready to master the machinist trade and pass with flying colors? The resources are right there waiting for you. Take action, dive right into this material, and start your preparation today.